Hello everyone, welcome back to Techie Girl, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a user in your Kajabi account. So in case you have hired someone and you don't want to share your credentials with them directly, but you want to give them some specific access in your account, then watch this video carefully, and at the end I'll show you how to remove them as well. So once you have logged into your Kajabi, go to the settings. And once you are inside the settings, you just need to scroll down a bit. When you find account settings, go to the account users, click here, and then you will see I have added few people, and then I suspended their access, so it shows that they are suspended. So remember, once you have suspended somebody in your Kajabi account, they are not counted as a user in your account. And so we are going to add a new user. Click over here as a new user, add their name, last name, whatever details you have, their email. And in case you see this message that this email has been already taken over by by any other Kajabi account, then simply add +1 +2 depending upon the, you can ask that user. Like for me, I have almost 70 plus Kajabi accounts. Like I have access to 70 plus Kajabi accounts. So how my email ID looks like is, Taigirl plus 74 at the rate gmail. That is the new email address I'm sharing with my clients for the access with the recent new proposal that I've sent. So you just enter the email address and that's it. Then the password, then confirm the password. Now, the most important part is deciding whether you want to give them like owner, definitely not. Admin, in case that person needs to access the settings of your Kajabi account, then admin permission has to be given. Like we have been helping clients with setting up their integrations, like Google Analytics, and then payment integrations, then ConvertKit, and then adding some custom codes in their checkout pages. For all that, you need to give them admin access. Now, if you want someone just to manage the website apart from the settings, you don't want to give any access to the settings, but just the website, marketing, and other things. Like you have a tech VA that just need to do the daily task, then assistant. And if you want someone to just take care of the comments, manage your contacts, then the support specialist who is supporting your business backend. So I'll also share with you the entire details of the roles in the description. So you can take a look over there and learn more about the roles. And if you want them to give access to any other site, you can do that. Right now, I just have one site, but in some Kajabi accounts, you might have like for your account, maybe you are having two websites in one Kajabi account, then you can decide which Kajabi account needs access for this user. And then if you want to give them any particular access to the community, then you just have to select that. That's it. And then you save it, and that user will be added over there. So that's how you are going to add a user in Kajabi. And whenever you want to remove that user, you just have to, there will be an edit button, and you just decide whether you want to um, unsuspend the user or suspend the user. The moment you have suspended the user, they will not be counted as a user in your Kajabi account. So suppose in my Kajabi account, only 3 users are allowed, and I already have two. So if I suspended one, I'll still have the space for two more. It won't be counted as anymore as it is suspended. Now, the moment you want to unsuspend them, maybe you want to resume them to work on your Kajabi account, then you can just unsuspend. That's it. If you have any question, please comment below. I would be very happy to answer those. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Have a great day.